Now that you've learned the basics about cuts and engraves, and you've also learned about light and dark contrast, you are going to start the ideating phase. In the ideating phase, we want to come up with a bunch of different ideas about what our ornament can look like. We create 3 or more ideas, and then we select our best one to actually be fully created on the laser cutter. Here's what we are going to do. On paper, you are going to sketch out 3 different ornament ideas. I have some examples here on the screen. Notice my shapes are in circle ornaments, but you can use a different shape if you would like. If you want to use a square or a triangle, or even something more complex like cutting out the shape of a Christmas tree, you may do that as well. Notice the different colors I am using. What colors do you see on this screen right now? You should notice some black, white, and gray, but you will also notice red. Red is going to be very important when you're creating your ornaments because red tells the laser cutter that this is where we want to cut away our material completely, just like a cookie cutter. When we want to cut out an object completely out of our material, we are going to use red. So anytime you use this color, it's going to tell the laser cutter this is a complete cut. However, black or gray tells the laser cutter that we actually want to burn this image into the material. So in this ornament, the red is going to be our cutout shape. The black is going to be where the laser cutter burns in the design, and the white is where our laser cutter does not do anything. In our last example, where we have Santa Claus with the Merry Christmas, we have the same red cutout, but what's different is we don't just have black, we also have some shades of gray. And remember what we said about contrast. The lighter the color, such as his beard, there is not going to be much of an engraving. It's going to look very light. However, in darker colors like his belt, that is going to be more heavily burned and engraved. Feel free to be as creative as you want in your ideation process. These are just a few simple examples that I've created to show you. You can engrave photos from your own camera that you have. You can create very intricate or complicated designs or have them say whatever you want. These are just some examples that I've created to kind of help you get started. Once you have your 3 designs, you are going to upload each one as an image onto OneNote in the ideation phase. You will see Sketch 1, Sketch 2, and Sketch 3. Upload a photo of each one in the box. Then you are going to select your favorite one, the one that you are going to make a complete version of and actually put on the laser cutter. In the next video, we will cover the prototyping phase and I will show you how to take your favorite design and put it into Canva.